In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chat bubble in WhatsApp. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Head and open the app list of your device to be able to look for the settings button or the settings icon, which you can click and which will allow you to head over to the settings of your device. On your settings, go ahead and look for notifications and status bar. Now, this may differ depending on the Android device that you're using, since some Android device label this as notifications and sound. And here, go ahead and click on app notification to be able to view the list of apps where notification is enabled. So in this list of apps, go ahead and look for WhatsApp to be able to make sure that WhatsApp is enabled. If you have this disabled in this area, make sure to enable it. Now go ahead and head over to the notification icon shown. Make sure that this is set to 1 or 3 and not none to be able to ensure that the notification will pop up on your device. And that is how you can simply make chat bubble in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.